Again, up. No, let's see, yes.
Yeah. He's in. Nice.
Yeah.
It's good.
Actually, bro, that's up. Yeah, he's alive.
Whoa, he goes so chill.
Everything's good, bro.
All right.
Now make a video.
I'm making
Stop.
me
Okay.
all the time.
Don't make a video, we don't care, okay?
I do not know which one we use.
Little ball. Oh.
He's not dead, right? Oh shit.
No, he's okay. He's okay.
Bro, I think he's dead, bro.
Let him.
Look. Ah,
Let
okay.
him. He's okay.
What the fake?
Look how he's fighting. He's getting. Look, he's going all the way. My God. It's really big. Oh shit. We have to break it. Don't do all the video. Bro, film me also. And when you see the fish, you can. What? No, I was speaking to Abdullah.
Faut toujours envoyer le.
That big is so strong. It looks like a fight. Mais après, peut-être elle est grosse, mais elle est pas très large. Maybe she's fat, bro, but not so.
Fat.
Bro, it goes away. It goes away. I'm always here.
Hey! Your buns.
Bro, look how he runs.
Yo, was it
If I lose it, I'm gonna be so mad, bro. I can't imagine.
50 minutes of work?
50.
Almost the whole hour.
50. Yeah. I saw him a bit.
You will. Why is this corpse so angry?
Come here.
No!
I'm just gonna do a photo with you. Abdullah, this, you know you could have catched this too, the same. I made it like this basically too.
Anyway, now I would have been too tired too.
Yeah.
Imagine 50 minutes now, another 50 minutes. Finally! I hope so.
You have to bring you with your stool again. Yeah, bro.
Yo, stop it. Oh, she's fat. Finally!
Bro, it's so fast.
Wait.
Actually,
3, 2, 1. Oh.
Bro, ate all
Bro,
the
it's
meat.
so fat.
Whoa!
Shit, man.
It's yellow.
Bro, it's so beautiful.
Yo, what?
Are you filming it?
Yeah, of course.
Take
Oh,
out the
my
hook.
baby.
Take out the hook.
I love you. I love you.
Bro, look. First I take a photo and then you take a photo and you release it directly.
I make a photo.
But bro, the problem is then you will have to wash your hands again and rewash them.
And just take a video of everything.
And, Abdullah will take a photo and then you will release.
Yeah, take it out.
Put him on the ground.
Yo.
Oh, wait.
Oh, my baby.
Whoa.
I love you.
Yo, what the fuck? He takes the whole thing. He takes the whole mat.
Oh shit, wait, I want to do what?
A photo.
Wait, I have.
Wow. So fat, bro. Bro, he's here. Bro, what the fuck is he doing?